Hello students, welcome to Smart World, a school of complete education, and once again we are into a Smart English program, and today we are going to complete this table number 2. Right, so I have already done this entire table filled up, and I have given you so many examples also. So now you have to create the sentences. Okay, there is a book in the in the drawer, like that. So the verb, I am reading the book, you can say. I was reading the book in is, was, will be. I will be reading the book, this you can say. I have read the book, you can say. I got the book from one of my friends. So you can write this, and you can write the dialogues also. The book has been read by me. So this is passive. Okay. So this type of sentences you have to create. इस तरीके से आपको ये सारे टेबल को complete करना है. Right? There are many problems in my life. There are 100 flats in building. There is a program in my college tomorrow. So you have to complete. आपको ये पूरा टेबल complete करना है. There is a program in my college tomorrow. There was a holiday on first Friday. There was a people on the platform. There was a people on the platform. There was a meeting 5 o'clock. Now use with. There was fight with my brother and there was many dolls with me in my room. There is fun during Diwali. There was a gift for you. There should be love for all in our heart. You have to use for in every sentence. Between you have to use. Okay, there are 2 stations between Mumbai and Pune. There is letter from London. There are gifted from God for you. This is a train to Pune at 1 o'clock. There is a bed to rest and sofa to sit. There is a painting by Ravindranath Tagore in the art gallery. There were many photographs of Mahatma Gandhi in the hall. There are many works of different artists in the exhibition. Till up to. There are many trains up to Kalyan. There are different kinds of people in India. There is road up to Kalyan. There are children up to the age of 15 in this school. There is a box which is old. There is a road which is on the right. There are many buildings in Mumbai which are very tall. There are many students who come to class every day. These are many people who know to speak English. There are children who play cricket. Right, so this way you have to complete the whole table and you have to repeat the sentence and you have to send us. Right, so I hope you must have understood. राइट, सो मुझे उम्मीद है कि आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. आपको सारे जो टेबल्स है उससे कंप्लीट करना है, उसके सेंटेंस बनाने हैं, उसके ऊपर पूरे डायलॉग्स बनाने हैं और भेज देना है. ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट स्टूडेंट्स.